Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today's video is going to be me talking about the succulent box, which is a plant subscription box that I was sent to review for you guys. I recently started getting into plants and wanting to fill plants in my home. I think that they can make a house feel so comfortable and so cozy, but I don't really know much about plants, so that's why I've been doing fake plants. I was reached out to by this company on Instagram and asked if I would want to get one of their boxes to review for you guys, and I thought it came at the perfect time, so I said I would love to. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be going over what I got in the box and kind of sharing it with you guys, my thoughts. I apologize, my face itches. And just letting you guys know what I think about the box, and giving you a discount code as well. You guys can check the description for that. It is Love Plants for 15% off of your first order on their website. So definitely check that out if you guys are interested, and let's get into what I got in this box. So I'm not going to show you the actual box because it does have my address on it, but it's just a white long box that has succulent box tape around it. I've already opened these plants because the packaging itself is quite messy. This one came with 4 plants, and each of the plants were individually wrapped with bubble wrap, and then there is dirt and soil in the bottom of it, as well as obviously in the plants. So it is quite messy, which is one thing that kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to sweep when I get done filming this, but obviously that's just one thing you have to deal with when you're dealing with plants. So I'm gonna show you each of the succulents that I got. This is the first one. They do come in these cute little individual potting things, and you also get care instructions if you're someone who doesn't know much about succulents or plants in general. That would be really helpful. This is the second one. So definitely it is good for people who are beginners as well. This is the third one, and then here's the fourth one. I don't know much about plants, so I'm not going to even try to explain any of that. So if you were someone who knows a lot about plants, maybe you could leave some information in a comment below for someone who's looking for this. Like I said, I'm just starting to get into plants. It's something that I want to fill our home with. I think they can be super cozy and comforting in a home, and so succulents are ones that you cannot kill easily, so that's why I wanted to check this out. I think that I will definitely take a look at the subscription box and see what else they can offer, and I may say subscribe just because I think it's really cool. Check the description box for that code as well, and if you want to follow my Instagram, it's just at heysabrinafaith. I will be sharing the progress of these succulents on my Instagram, so you guys can keep up with me that way. I know this video was short and sweet, but I hope that you enjoyed it. If you guys want to check out the box, again, everything will be in the description box below, and I would love to know your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!